AI rare bird videos are going viral across social media right now. This video looks incredibly smooth and realistic, but it was created entirely with AI. First, open the master prompt I've added in the video description. Next, copy the entire master prompt from the video description. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will give you several rare bird name ideas. Choose any name you like from the list. Now copy the selected bird name and paste it back into the ChatGPT chat. ChatGPT will also give you the image prompts and video prompts for each scene. After that, open Google Flow and select Image Mode. Choose Nano Banana Pro as your image model. Then copy and paste each image prompt into the prompt box. Hit Generate after every prompt. Once the image is ready, open the image options and click Animate. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy your matching video prompt. Return to Google Flow and select the video model. Choose Omni Flash, set the duration to 10 seconds, and paste your video prompt. Finally, hit Generate and let Flow create the animated scene. Now let's check the final video result.